Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Stremio app on iPhone. So first up, what you need to do is to head to Safari and then just search for stremio.com. Then once you're there, just make sure to log in onto your account or sign up for an account. Now after doing that, you should be able to see this option to tap on download now. So just go ahead and tap on download now, and this will show you a list of options available for downloading. So if you try to scroll down a bit further, you will see that there's this option to just directly download Stremio for iOS, which is a limited version. So if you see this, just go ahead and tap on App Store, and this will take you to the iTunes App Store. Now, after doing that, just follow the download prompts, and you should be able to access this directly on your iPhone. After downloading it, it should look something like this, and all you have to do is log into your account, and then you can access Stremio. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.